In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Power BI reports with automated testing. By the end, you'll have a simple quality check that highlights issues automatically and makes them impossible to miss. Start by opening Power BI desktop and loading any report you want to monitor. Make sure you're in report view. In the fields pane, right-click any table where you store measures and choose new measure. We'll create the logic that drives the test. Name it something like QC status color. This measure compares this month's sales to last month's sales and returns a color code. It sums current sales, calculates last month's sales using dateadd to shift the date column back 1 month, and uses a threshold of 0.5. If last month had sales and the current value drops by more than 50%, the measure returns the red hex code, Hamrush on FF00. Otherwise, it returns the green hex code, Hanshad00FF00. Be sure to replace the sample table and column names with your own and confirm your date table is properly marked as a date table and related to your fact table so date ADD works correctly. Next, right-click the same table again and choose New Measure to create the message that users will see. Call it QC status text. This one is straightforward. If QC status color equals Nanshad FF1000, it outputs stop, data drop detected. Otherwise, it says data looks good. Keeping the color and text separate makes the visuals clean and the logic reusable. Now let's surface the result, create a new report page and name it Admin Alerts. Add a card visual to the canvas, drag in your alert measure. If your environment uses a different alert measure name, simply place the one that represents your pass or fail message in the card. Finally, let's build a large traffic light style indicator. On your report canvas, insert another card visual and place QC status text in the fields well. With the card selected, open format your visual, then go to General Effects and Background, turn background on, select the color option and click the FX button for conditional formatting. Set the format style to field value and choose QC status color as the field. Click OK. The card's background will now switch between green and red, automatically based on your data. Refresh your data or adjust filters to simulate a drop and confirm the card turns red with the stop message. With this setup, you've built a lightweight automated test for anomalies, and you can reuse the same pattern for other KPIs by swapping the logic and threshold. Thanks for watching.